A very good morning to dear students. Today we will start our 8th chapter of mathematics, that is measurement. In this chapter we learn about long and short, tall and short, heavy and light, more or less things. Okay? So students, first of all, tell me what do you mean by measurement? Measurement क्या होता है? Measurement is the action of measuring things. Measurement is the action of measuring things. For example, time, weight, height, temperature, length, speed, and many more things. Okay students, now tell me which animal is bigger? Cat or elephant? Cat or elephant? Obviously, you know, elephant is bigger than cat. And see this picture. This is a watermelon and this is a strawberry. Which one is heavier? Watermelon or strawberry? Watermelon is heavier than strawberry. Next, ropes. Which one is longer? Which one is longer? This rope is longer than this rope. Okay? And next is house. Which is taller one? This house or this house? This is taller one. Okay? Next we are doing long and short. We compare long and short things. So students, first of all tell me what is long and what is short. What do you mean by long and short? Long means the thing which is long in length, and short means which is short in length. Okay? और ऐसी चीज़ जो लंबाई में बड़ी हो, और शॉर्ट मीन्स एक ऐसी चीज़ जो लंबाई में छोटी हो. So students, see these pencils. Here we have two pencils, 1 and 2. Which one is longer and which one is shorter? You can clearly see that the length of this pencil is longer and the length of this pencil is shorter as compared to this. Okay? So, here tick and cross. Okay? Now see this. There are two sticks, 1 and 2. Which one is longer and which one is shorter? This stick is longer and this is shorter. Okay? Now students, see here we have a rope. So now we measure this rope with erasers, with the help of erasers. So place the erasers like this. Now count the erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means the rope is about 5 erasers long. This means the rope is about 5 erasers long. Next, see this. This is a toothbrush. We measure this toothbrush with the help of clips. So, now count the clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have 9 clips. It means our toothbrush is about 9 clips long. Next is spoon. We can measure this spoon with the help of eraser. So count the erasers. 1, 2. Spoon is about 2 erasers long. Next is paintbrush. We measure this paintbrush with the help of sharpeners. Count the sharpeners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 4 sharpeners, which means our paintbrush is about 4 sharpeners long. Okay. So students, we can also measure things with the help of finger, hand span, foot span and pace. Finger like this, hand span, foot span and pace. Okay. Next we are doing tall and short. What do you understand by tall and short? Tall means things which are longer in height, and shorter means which are shorter in height. Means ऐसी चीज़ें जो ऊंचाई में बड़ी हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं टॉलर, एंड जो ऊंचाई में छोटी हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं शॉर्टर. So students, see here we have two tables. See which one is taller and which one is shorter. This table is taller and this is shorter. Similarly, see the trees. Which tree is taller and which is shorter? This tree is taller and this tree is shorter. Okay. Now students, how tall is the given blue stick? This blue stick is how longer? We measure this blue stick with the help of sharpeners. Count the sharpeners: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 sharpeners. It means this blue stick is about 7 sharpeners long. Okay. Next is we are doing some questions. How long are the given things? Okay. See. Count the erasers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 erasers longer. Means this is a can of apple juice. So this is about 9 erasers longer. Now we measure this pencil. Count the erasers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 erasers, means this pencil is about 7 erasers. This is a remote. We measure this remote with the help of erasers again. Now count the erasers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means this remote is about 10 erasers long. Okay. Now next we measure these colored pencils. The blue pencil is 6 squares long. Count the squares: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This blue pencil is 6 squares long. Red pencil is dash squares long. So count the squares: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So red pencil is 7 squares long. Next, yellow pencil. Again count the squares: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The yellow pencil is 9 squares long. And next, last one is pink pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The pink pencil is 8 squares long. Okay. Next we are doing heavy and light. So students, what do you mean by heavy and light? जो चीज़ें वेट में ज़्यादा होती हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं हैवी, और जो वेट में कम होती हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं लाइट. इन चीज़ों को हम कैसे मेज़र कर सकते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ बैलेंस. Here we have 2 types of balance: digital balance and pan balance. Okay. So students, see, this is a pan balance. One side we have an apple and in the other side we have an watermelon. Now tell me which side is heavier and which is lighter. Obviously the watermelon side is heavier and the apple side is light. So put the signs. Okay. Next, see, one side we have a bag, school bag, and in the other side we have a teddy bear. Which is heavier and which is lighter? Obviously school bag is heavier and the teddy bear is lighter one. Next, here we have a gift and here we have a books. Which one is heavier? Obviously books are heavier and this is lighter. Okay. Rita's bag is heavier than Asha's bag. Asha's bag is heavier than Mohit's bag. Okay. So whose bag is heaviest? So clearly we can see that here Mohit's bag is heaviest. Okay. Next we are doing more or less. More or less means किसी भी चीज़ में कितनी क्वांटिटी आ सकती है किसी चीज़ की. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ बकेट में कितना पानी आ सकता है, और अगर उसकी जगह हम क्या ले लें, एक कप ले लें और उसमें कितना पानी आएगा. अगर हम दोनों को कंपेयर करें तो बकेट में ज़्यादा पानी है और मग में कम पानी है. ठीक है. जिसमें ज़्यादा पानी उसको क्या बोलेंगे मोर, जिसमें कम पानी उसको क्या बोलेंगे लेस. So how much water can the bucket hold? See, here we have a bucket and 4 mug. We can see that the bucket fills water in all 4 mugs. All 4 mugs. So the bucket can hold 4 mugs of water. Okay. So students, see here, which object can hold more water? This is a tank, water tank, and this is a small water tank. So here obviously this tank hold more water, and here bucket and jug. Which hold more water? This bucket, and here we have a cup and a glass. Which hold more water? This one. Okay. So students, see here, a bucket can hold 6 mugs of water. A bucket can hold 6 mugs of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a earthen pot can hold 5 mugs of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next, a jug can hold 3 mugs of water. 1, 2, 3. So how many mugs of water can the following hold? 1 bucket and 1 jug. 1 bucket and 1 jug. 1 bucket hold 6 mugs of water and 1 jug. 1 jug contain 3 mugs. It means total here 9 mugs. Okay. Next, 2 jugs. 1 jug contain 3 mugs. 2 jug contains 3 plus 3 equals to 6 mugs. And last one is 1 jug and 1 earthen pot. 1 jug. 1 jug means 3 mugs and 1 earthen pot means 5 mugs. Total 8 mugs. Okay. So students, this is all about our today's chapter, that is measurement. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.